Ever see this error when we try to add a transition? Welcome back to day 23. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. It's one of the most common points of confusion for new editors. In under 3 minutes, I'll explain what media handles are and how to fix this error for good. Let's try to add a cross dissolve. We drag it on and we get the error. Here's why. For a transition to work, it needs extra footage from both clips to overlap. This extra footage is called a handle. The error means that one or both of our clips don't have any extra media available beyond the cut point. We've used the entire clip right up to the very end. The fix is simple. We just need to trim a little bit off the beginning of the second clip to create those handles. If you don't want to trim any media, add a freeze frame. The video is on our channel. Now that we've created some handles, let's try adding the transition again. We drag it on, and this time it works perfectly. So if you see that error, just remember, you need to trim your clips a little bit. Now you can troubleshoot one of the most common beginner issues. As your projects get longer, staying organized is key. In the next video, we'll learn how to use markers to leave notes and reminders on your timeline. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 24.